Hello everyone. Now we will go through the room change process. When changing the room for a patient, you can view the patient's current details before the room is changed. You can see the allocated date, the current status, whether the room is vacant or already allotted, and which user made the changes. For example, user Mahesh S1 and Shavini may have updated the room information. If the patient wants to shift to another room, you can select a new room from the list shown. You can also view or cancel the currently allocated room if needed. Similarly, if the patient wants to move to another nursing station, for example, from inpatient ward 2 to a different ward, you can select the desired nursing station from the drop-down menu. Next, we will move to the consultant change. As mentioned during admission, if there is a need to change the main consultant, you can do so here. For instance, if the current consultant is Dr. Likita Reddy and you want to change it to Dr. Aditya Singh, you can make the change. You can also select who should be marked as the main consultant. Set the start and end dates for the consultant's responsibility, and you can see the last modification date as well. Now we will look at the MLC Medico-Legal Case section. In this section, you can enter details like the MLC number, FIR number, and type of injury, for example, head injury or fracture. You can also enter physical examination details, identification marks, remarks, and the name of the police station, for example, Thani Police Station. The location of the accident and who brought the patient can also be recorded. The brought by field will be automatically filled based on the information entered during the admission process. Next, we move to package allocation. Here, you can assign treatment packages to the patient. If the patient already has a package, it will be displayed. If you want to add another package such as a 10-day neuropathy or physiotherapy package, you can select it, enter the amount, and save it. Following that is the bond limit section. This is mainly for patients who are covered under TPA or insurance. You can set a credit limit for such patient. If the service usage goes beyond the credit limit, the receptionist will receive a notification. You can also track changes to the bond limit and see who updated it. If a patient wants to exceed the limit, they must get approval from the organization or pay the extra amount in cash. Finally, we will cover updating patient details. You can use this section to cancel the admission, change the admission date and time, or update other personal details. All changes will be logged and you can view both the old and new values along with the date and user who made the update. For example, if an admission date is changed from June 2024 to September 2024, that update will be visible here.